Hey everyone, tired of just chilling on Netflix? Let's swap some screen time for some brain-boosting YouTube channels that are both fun and educational. Staying entertained and learning cool new things is the way to go, and YouTube has tons of channels perfect for just that. We've picked out 10 awesome channels that will teach you something new and keep you hooked. First up, we're heading to Germany, home of the awesome animation studio Kurzgesagt. These guys take super complicated topics and make them easy to understand with amazing videos. Next, we're hopping over to the UK, where RSA Animates makes tough ideas easy to grasp with cool animated presentations. They mix smart commentary with eye-catching visuals, making learning fun and exciting. Now, our brain-boosting journey takes us to the Googleplex. Talks at Google features lectures, interviews, and discussions with experts on all sorts of interesting stuff. Chapter 4. Eddie Wu. This awesome Australian math teacher is a YouTube star. He's super passionate about numbers and makes learning math fun and easy. His videos break down tricky math concepts into simple lessons, so no more math headaches. Chapter 5. Veritasium. This channel is a dream come true for science lovers. They dive into tons of cool topics with experiments and easy-to-understand explanations. Chapter 6. Smarter Every Day. Get ready to explore the world with engineer Destin Sandlin. He's super curious about how things work, and his passion is contagious. Chapter 7. Coin Bureau. This channel gives you the inside scoop on the world of cryptocurrency. If you're curious about Bitcoin and all that, this is the place to be. Chapter 8. Unlock the secrets of your brain with Dr. Andrew Huberman and the Huberman Lab. This channel explores the amazing world of neuroscience, explaining how our brains work and how we can boost our brain power. They give you practical tips and advice based on real science so you can improve your well-being. Chapter 9. Ali Abdaal's channel is packed with tips and tricks for living a happier, healthier, and more productive life. Get ready to level up your life! Chapter 10. Vox covers all sorts of topics with insightful commentary, cool visuals, and a knack for explaining complicated stuff in a way that everyone can understand. So, there you have it, 10 awesome YouTube channels that will entertain, educate, and inspire you. From science and technology to human behavior and the mysteries of the universe, these channels have a ton of knowledge to offer. Which channel would you add to this list? Let us know in the comments.